All right, what's up, people? Yeah, I'm skipping the line. We're going to go straight to YouTube today because why? It's Sunday, the Lord's Day. We have to keep everything cool. So, we're doing Qutub 21. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read it and then we're going to get into it. O dragon heart of energy, who dwelleth in the form of void, that coils encircle each event. In thee all forces are alloyed. Thy breath doth bear life's flame to thoughts, till all back thy mouth is brought. None but thee and the dragon sold. Create and yet fate's law void. Now, I think there's a lot more going on here than is really going on. So, first of all, this is 8 verses in length. Now, I lied to you before, but then again, when you're examining a grimoire, aren't you going to lie from time to time? What is the pattern here? Pattern's kind of weird. It's AABBA, but it's not the same as this. You see how it is? 1 and 3 are void, and then we start there. This is not that. 1 and 3 are void, but there's also this guy right here. It would fit the pattern except for this guy right here, the verse in blue. So, what I decided to do was, well, I'm not going to tell you what any of this means. I might go into this. That's the 4 to the 8. It's not 4 to the 8. It's something that you don't even fucking understand. Anywho, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 and I'm going to push it up. And then I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to push it down. Now see what happens. What would happen here? Right? Oh, dragon heart of energy, thy coils encircle each event. Who dwelleth in the form of void, in thee all forces are alloyed. Thy breath doth bear the flames to thought. Till all no, just stop it right there. But you see what I'm saying? So you can move things around. This is what people don't understand when I do my tarot thing. They're like, well, how can you move things around? You're this is the way it was supposed to be. I'm like, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be on the surface. That's the way it's supposed to be on the surface. That's not necessarily the way it's supposed to be. For every instance, every knowledge. You understand what I'm saying? So you can move things around. What does it say right here? Create and yet fate's law avoid. That is very important. That goes into the A sequence. So we can move things around. We can move things up and down. We can do erasers. Right? Like-minded. So what are we going to do? 21 times 2 is... Yep. Remember this one? The only other that has exactly 8. Everything else is 7. These are the 2 8s. 42, which is double 21. So, what is 4 with an 8 above it? I have no idea. You have to help me. How do we accomplish this? 20 plus 3 minus 12. I don't know. Are we doing work? 20 minus 3 plus 12? Is that what we're doing here? And then we go to 11. Then we have to go back here and hit 11. And we find what happens when we finally hit 11. Where is it at? We're getting there. We're getting close. We're getting close. And then we have 11. I already did 11. I think I might have done 11 twice. If I did 11 twice, it would be 22, wouldn't it? Yeah, I don't even know what is 22. Oh, I know what 22 is. It's next.